Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about another a way to select items and objects, and it's pretty cool. It's under Edit, and it's right above what we've been using today, Find and Replace. If I wanted to find all the objects, and you can do that with Control A or anything, and I'm going to hit the Delete key and delete them. But it's taking the text and thinking it's an object, and it is. But you have these five texts here. If you want to go to Edit, select, and find all the texts, and let's just make them blue now. So you've selected all those texts that quick just by that. Let's say you've got a lot of guidelines. There's several ways to turn guidelines on or off, but if you just want to get rid of them, go to Edit, select all guidelines, and then hit delete, and those guidelines are gone that quick. Now, another thing it will do, this box, I've converted to a curve, and it's got nodes, as you can see. Let's make this like a little bit more obvious. So that one and this one I've converted to curves. These don't have really nodes. These aren't really true nodes yet. But if I wanted to manipulate all these nodes around this box, you couldn't really do it. You have to hold down the Shift key and blah, blah, blah. But you could go click on that item. You have to be picked on that item. And then go to View, or go to Edit, select all nodes. And now it's selected all my nodes. So when I do something, it takes it out of the way. I don't think there's any other way you could possibly select all those nodes. There might be with the Shape tool. Let's click on it, double click. Yeah, there's a way right there. You just double click on the Shape tool and your nodes will appear. So let's do it again. Yeah, so you could do it that way also. Just double click on your Shape tool will get you all the nodes selected, much like double clicking with your Pick tool selects everything. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.